Welcome back, everyone. So this week and next week are finals weeks. So this video is gonna be a little bit shorter than normal. I don't have as much time to make longer videos or as complicated. So I figured today I would go over the Go Fas Bits or Gfb Diverter Valve Plus. I recently installed it while I was doing my water pump, so I don't have the actual part with me. I was in a rush because I had to drive the car and all that, so I threw it right in. And then I was going to find the stock one to show you, but I don't know where that one either, so that's my bad. But I'll go over a few of the benefits of upgrading this. I have the box right here, so you can see that. So basically all this does is upgrade the diverter valve if you have the N55 engine. I know it works on that. Not sure about the N54. But the stock one is basically a rubber little suction cup thing, little piston that goes back and forth. And the reason why you want to upgrade to the Diverter Valve Plus is because it upgrades it to a metal piston and is also variable, meaning that as you change your throttle position, it will let out, say, like it can do like 20%, 30%, 60% of the air, 100% all the way, versus the stock one, which will do either 0 or 100, or either open or close. Also, the other benefit you get is that it's a lot more efficient when you're running higher boost. I know that the stock diverter valves can fail under higher boost because they are basically just a little rubber suction cup thing that can easily blow out if you're running higher boost. So I know BMWs, the water pumps always fail and whatnot. So the best time to switch this out is if you're doing your water pump, because it's literally tucked right above it. It actually took me longer to get the diverter valve out than it did to do everything else, because you have to get these special long Allen keys with round ends. That's a hint for you. I had to go search at stores and find them. It took me forever. I spent 2 hours trying to get the bolts out, and then I went and got the part, and then it took me 5 minutes to get everything out and then right back in. So definitely get the extended Allen keys that attach to the ratchet with the round ends. Really, really good. Sound wise, off the diverter valve, it's not much different. I'll post a clip right now. But as you can see, if you have the intake and the diverter valve, the sound sounds like a blow-off valve. When you put the DV Plus on, it's gonna sound a little bit sharper. You can also hear it a little bit more when you're driving. It'll be adjusting and kind of releasing air as you go. It's really cool though. I like it. I did it more to prepare myself for the future. I don't want to go back in there and replace it in the future when I plan to go higher boost. So definitely a good upgrade. I believe it was like $130. So not too bad. It'll save you in the future. Also, you can hold more power. So I definitely recommend the product. I'll throw it down in the description. I'll probably post some pictures throughout the video so you can see what it looks like, because my bad, I don't have it with me. It's in the car doing its job. So, and the stock one, I'll put a picture of that too maybe. But yeah, I appreciate you for checking out the video. Be sure to follow me on my social media, Instagram, Facebook, if you use Facebook still, Snapchat, whatever. Be sure to DM me if you have any questions. Leave some comments down below on future videos you want to see.